back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, Babe wants to experiment on the Blackstone. So it's another Blackstone video. By the way, we made a Blackstone video playlist with our best Blackstone recipes. They are pretty epic.
I love the Blackstone.
Tell the folks, what are you making today?
It's pizza night.
It's pizza night. Dough, cheese.
Cauliflower crust.
I don't know about that.
He's having a margarita pizza. David is having his cheese pizza, but I convinced him that he needs to put an egg in the middle. And he said, well, then why don't I add bacon too? So we're making David a breakfast pizza. And then I'm having my hippie stuff. So I'm doing burrata cheese, prosciutto, arugula,
apricots.
Apricots. I was gonna throw artichoke hearts on there, but
Babe went to Trader Joe's and lost her freaking mind.
And then a cauliflower crust.
Oh my goodness. Okay. It's Blackstone time, people. It's pizza time, and it's
deliciousness.
It's deliciousness, and here we go.
All right, so I'm gonna start with the cauliflower crust. This is from Trader Joe's. It's already made because I think making them homemade is really hard. So you have to put it in the oven for 12 minutes on each side before I can take it out to the Blackstone. Next up, I have my arugula. I have my mix of uncured meats. I'm gonna use the prosciutto. I have my vegan and kale cashew basil pesto. Don't make fun of me. I like this stuff. At least I have meat on it. I have my dried apricots. And I'm gonna use burrata cheese. Now, Josh just tried this for the first time. Burrata cheese is the greatest thing ever. Let me show it to you. Basically, it's mozzarella cheese. It's buffalo mozzarella with like a cream inside. So when you heat it up and you cut it, it just melts. But it doesn't melt like to get all over the place. It just pulls apart really nicely. I'll show you. Josh's is going to be basil, our marinara.
Which normally we make our own tomato sauce. We're being Trader Joe's lazy tonight.
I'm just doing everything Trader Joe's today. Trader Joe's dough. This is the greatest. You can get from them a couple different flavors. It's like $1.20. This should make 2 pizzas. And then I'm also going to have Josh put some burrata on his margarita pizza. And then David's, we're going to do a mix of cheeses. We're gonna do bacon. We're gonna do an egg, all on his dough, and everything will have a little olive oil on it, all on the Blackstone. I don't know, wish me luck. I've never done this before. It'll be fun. First, we're gonna cook the bacon. I wanna get it nice and crispy. I'm not gonna do it too soft because we need it a little crispier, okay? So I'm gonna do 4 pieces. Bacon is done.
Let's take a little look-see. Okay.
Putting some olive oil on here to help it brown and kind of crisp up.
And then we're going to work on the real pizza dough, not any of this
foo-foo stuff.
Foo-foo stuff.
Hey, this is healthy, babe. Okay, we got to put a little flour on the board. We're going to get our pizza dough, the real pizza dough, ready in here. I went for plain. You don't need to let this pizza dough set out. You don't want to pull it out until it's pretty ready to go because it will just puff up. This is pull from the fridge and go.
Yeah, babe, now you just need to work it.
So now I'm gonna work it.
Yeah, girl, work it.
I'm gonna work it.
Why not, babe? I want a perfectly round pizza like Domino's.
Well,
like Pizza Hut.
I don't have pre-made crust.
If this was a real pizzeria, you would flip it in the air. And cell phones wouldn't be going off in the background.
Set, go.
Can we see that one time in slow motion?
Ready?
And the key, I guess, to a Blackstone pizza from the research that we've done is it has to be kind of thin, right, babe?
Yes. So I've got it rolled out to a nice little shape.
That looks like an oval. Looks like a crime scene.
Yeah, sure. So I'm going to put some olive oil on the bottom of it so it doesn't stick when I throw it down on the Blackstone.
Well, is that going to be the bottom of it?
Yeah.
So then you're going to flip it over on the board?
I'm going to flip it over when I put it on the Blackstone.
Oh, and then you're going to dress it up on the Blackstone with the sauce and everything?
Yeah. How'd you think it was going to go?
Babe, I'm just a camera boy. I'm just a camera boy, babe.
Yeah, okay.
Just trying to make YouTube greatness.
I'm gonna turn it to medium. I've got some olive oil on there. It's on here. I'm gonna attempt to get it off.
Hi, welcome back to Babe's Pizza Shop.
Doesn't that look fantastic?
I mean, that sauce is giving off a very nice smell.
It's not? Really?
No, it is. No, I said it is giving off a really nice smell.
Put this cookie sheet over the top of it to melt the cheese, cook the egg, and make it nice. Okay, for a few minutes. Let's see what happens.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
It's gonna be awesome, and it'll be another recipe I come up with in your face that you question and doubt me.
A raw egg on the center of the pizza. Yeah. What are you doing, babe? Making a little steam?
Trying, I guess. We'll see if that helps.
So why don't you be honest with the people about your raw egg that's in the middle of your
To be honest,
pizza?
I don't know what's going on yet.
You don't? It's raw.
I'm working on it.
Let me see. Let's see.
Working on it. The cheese isn't even all the way melted. It takes time.
Takes time. Okay. How does the bottom of the crust look, though? You want to finish it in the oven. That's your new plan, to finish the egg.
Because the
It smells
pizza's
good.
done. Pizza is done. I'm going to finish it with the egg in the oven. Okay?
This pizza is really good. I tried it with the egg. It's fantastic. With the bacon, so good.
Babe's outside finishing up the last one. My pizza's really good. The crust that the Blackstone put on the dough, like really, really thin crust, crunchy. The store-bought marinara sauce, it's okay. It's all right. The fresh basil and that killer cheese, yeah. So he gives a thumbs up. I give a thumbs up. Let's see what Babe thinks about her pizza. Okay, so let's be honest. It's the next day.
I'm still wearing the same shirt.
Okay, so let's be doubly honest. It's the next day and Babe is still wearing the same shirt. But during the editing process, we figured out that some of our video footage of the epic 3 pizzas on the Blackstone didn't work, unfortunately. But you can see some of the video here. Hopefully this will work to crop over some of the still pictures that I have and some of the other pictures. So just to recap, we have the breakfast pizza, which was the Trader Joe's crust, a couple different types of cheeses, the egg in the middle. We finished it off in the oven with the bacon crumbles on it, all made on the Blackstone,
It was
finished
really
off in
good.
the oven. Little guy loved that.
Loved it too.
I had some today at
After
work,
you talked your
and
madness.
it was pretty good.
Okay.
That was pretty good. And then I had the just red sauce, the marinara, the pizza
Margarita.
sauce with the basil and the
Burrata cheese.
burrata cheese. I had a little bit of that today at work as well. That was also fantastic. That crust on the bottom of the Blackstone really did a good job. And then Babe's, go ahead.
My pizza was fantastic. I could have eaten the whole thing. It was delicious. It had a ton of flavor from the prosciutto and then that buffalo mozzarella burrata cheese. Ooh, the way it spreads, it like melted all over.
And the
I'll show you a
apricots?
picture of it. And the apricots got hot and they kind of like jellied.
So
It
anyways,
was good.
you guys, Blackstone Pizza, do it, try it. Thank you for watching. Sorry this video is kind of all over the place,
It's
but
not hard. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was
Yeah.
going to be. And your dough goes fast.
so yeah.
Your dough cooks fast.
All right,
We loved it.
we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks,
Take it
guys.
easy.